Hello, I'm Enza Petrosino, chef of the Il Sibille restaurant in Pecetto Torinese, located in the hills above Turin. And today I'm going to prepare some puglian specialties. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare different types of puglian pasta. Take some semolina, add some water, and I'm going to begin making the dough. Now we're going to let the dough sit for 15 minutes covered by a towel. After 15 minutes, take the pasta and we'll begin to make stracinate, which is the first type of pasta that we'll make. Take a utensil and cut and drag like this to make stracinate. With the same dough, I can make many types of pasta. For example, orecchiette. Now I'm going to make little macaroni. Tear the dough into little pieces like this. Then we're going to take a brass rod and roll it with the palm of your hand like this. Now I'm going to show you how to make cicatelli. Break off a piece of pasta and pass 3 fingers over it like that. Now we're going to make another type of pasta, which are small cavatelli, which you can cook in a soup with chickpeas. And you make them like this. Now we'll make larger cavatelli. These are normally cooked with beans or mussels. Now we'll make cozzette. And these are good with zucchini and crayfish. So, as you can see, with the same dough, you can make all these types of pasta: stracinate, cozzette, macaroni, cicatelli, orecchiette, cavatelli, and the little cavatelli which can be used in a soup.